Which graph shows the solution to the inequality, the absolute value of x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 2? All right, so what I need to do is find out for what values of x does the solution set satisfy. So I'm going to take my first value. It already tells me that x plus 3 is greater than 2. So I have x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 2. But we know within absolute values, I can have a positive solution and I can have a negative. So for my negative solution, I'm going to go ahead and write x plus 3. Now, when I do my negative solution, I need to swap signs of my original, what was originally given to me. So now this becomes x plus 3 is less than or equal to negative 2. All right, so now that I have my two equations set up, I'm going to go ahead and solve for x. So if I minus 3 on both sides, I get that x should be greater than or equal to negative 1. And if I subtract 3 on both sides here, I have that x is less than or equal to negative 5. Okay, so now looking at my graphs, I'm going to look to see which has values first at negative 1 and negative 5. I see this one here is dealing with positive 1 and 5, so this one's not going to work for us. Same thing here, positive, positive, not going to work. Both of these have negative 5 and negative 1s. So now let's go ahead and look and see what the difference is between the two. This first graph says that x only exists between negative 5 and negative 1. Okay, well here we said that x is greater than negative 1 and it has values less than negative 5. So I could see here there's nothing bigger than negative 1 nor anything smaller than negative 5. So I don't think that one's going to work. So now let's look at this one. Okay, at negative 1, it's here, and I have a solid circle because, again, it's greater than or equal to. And look at that, it is all values bigger than negative 1. And if I go to negative 5, it tells me that x should be less than or equal to negative 5. So looking here at negative 5, it's also a closed circle, and it is values less than that. So yes, graph B, or letter B, will be our solution to this equality.